Hey guys, Ezra from EzraSlayton.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free money online.
On the line.
Alright, so you want to get some free money online. I'm going to show you how you could possibly do this, but first I just want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Every day I make these type of videos trying to help you make money online so you can do what thou wilt. And also I document my own journey and share some of my own results as well. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And also if you're new to affiliate marketing or interested in it, I've got an ebook that you can have for free. All you need to do is just submit your email and then you'll be able to get access to that completely free. So go ahead and grab that. It's the second link in the description below, or you can find it here on the website or over on the website EzraSlayton.com. Alright, so out of the way, I want to show you that it's possible to get some free money online. I'm going to go to, let's see, payments received and kind of show you a little bit of proof that it actually does work. So give this a sec. Alright, so right down here you can see this $21. This was completely free money. I didn't have to pay any fees to get that money, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do that and what I'm using to do that. So the website I'm using is called Earn Easy Commissions, and essentially if you refer somebody to this program and they are a qualified member, then you'll get paid $1 for that. So it's free money. You don't have to pay to join this. It's a completely free system. So if you're interested in that, there's a link in the description. It's the first link, and it'll show you how to get started. Okay. So the way that you go about getting this money is through just promoting your referral link. So there's several different ways that you could do that, and I'm going to show you a few really quick. Okay. So this won't be a very long video. It should be in and out in under 5 minutes. So the first way I would suggest is on YouTube. Just do like the same way that I do it. I just make videos every single day, and pretty much on the regular I get new referrals into the Earn Easy Commissions. Like almost every day somebody's joining up. Okay. So YouTube, you just make videos every single day talking about different ways that people can make money. Once again, just similar to how I do it. If you want to, you could even just model all of my videos if it pleases you. I don't really care. Other than that, if you don't want to get on camera, then you can find Creative Commons videos. So you just type in like make money and then put a little comma there and then write Creative Commons, one word. And this is going to show you all of the videos that are Creative Commons. You can see even one of mine is up here too. I do all of my videos Creative Commons because it gives people the opportunity to download my video and then share it on their own channels, and that just gives me more exposure. Okay, so that's what you want to do. And then if you don't want to make your own videos, you just download these videos that are Creative Commons and then re-upload them to your own channel. Okay. Alright, so that's on YouTube. Another way that you could promote your link is through Facebook. If you need to find some kind of advertisement to kind of model or copy, you can just type in the search bar, comment, share, info, like this, something like that, and you'll see all the people's posts that have this type of like offer or something like that, and you can kind of model it, and you can find videos that you can take off that you can download for free and then re-upload. And let me see if I can show you an example. Okay, so if you look at this one, so if you look at this video, this guy, he says where is it? This guy is the boss. You won't believe it till you see it. Like, comment, info, share this video, and then 579 people commented on that. So you just message them your link, and your referral link, and then they'll go through the process and they'll sign up, and then you get your free money through that. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is on Tumblr. You could just repost on Tumblr the most popular things, and then add your link to the description. So you just like this, you reblog, you add the hashtags, so whatever your niche is. So this is like make money, okay, and these will show you all the popular ones, and you just click on those, okay, add those in, and you load them up. Probably delete their comment and then add your own. Grab your let's see, grab your referral link right over here, get started. Okay, so you come up here, you grab your referral link, copy that, and then you can directly post it right here if you want to, and then just click reblog. And then if it's a popular post and your tags are good and people see it, then they'll see your referral link and they'll click on that. You could also add something like free money system, okay, something to kind of get some attention or entice people to want to click on that and check out your link. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just a few ways that one way that you can get free money online is just referring people to the Earn Easy commissions. I use it. You see that I've made some money off of them, $21 free money, and I've got some more money in here that's just waiting. It's on hold. You get paid 20 when you reach 20, and then they'll send it to you. Okay. Alright, and you can earn more commissions from them if you sign up for the pro level. Alright, fix this real quick. And if you do sign up at the pro level, then you'll have access to all of my bonuses, which I can show you here in a second. Yeah. These are all my bonuses. If you just go down in the description, you can see them for yourself. We got YouTube marketing, these are video courses, Instagram traffic, list building, Facebook ads, sales funnels, and full mentorship and training and support from me. So if you sign up at the pro level with Earn Easy commissions, then those will be yours to claim. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, or you could dislike it if you didn't. It's cool. And I'll see you in the next one. Clap out.